According to China EV Post, Honda has begun production at its second new energy vehicle plant in China. The GAC Honda plant, located in Guangzhou, has an annual capacity of 120,000 vehicles. This follows the October 11 launch of Honda's first global NEV plant, operated by Dongfeng Honda in Wuhan. The Guangzhou plant features 100% automated welding using high-speed robots and automated transport systems. It also includes a 22-megawatt solar power system generating 22 million kilowatt-hour annually and reducing carbon emissions by 13,000 tons per year. Honda aims to have 10 pure electric models in China by 2027, including the EN series and the new E series launching in 2024. By 2035, all Honda vehicles sold in China will be battery electric. The move comes as Honda faces a 30.7% drop in Chinese sales this year, selling 740,399 vehicles from January to November. You are listening to Yuan News.